I'm gonna close my eyes.
Yeah, close your eyes. This is...
Mark, help her. Somebody.
I can't pull it. Just get the paper off.
Oh my god, that is the best wrap thing ever.
Isn't this awesome?
So,
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
I have to edit this a lot.
Oh yeah.
Can Mo and I look yet?
Not yet.
No.
No.
Okay.
No, don't look.
Yeah, that's tough. The more you slide, the tighter it gets, and I don't want
Where's the knife?
to damage it.
Are you standing on the knife?
No,
I don't want the tape to get on. There we go.
There we go. Woo! Okay.
Tell me when.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Look!
Oh my God! It's Moses. It's a still life Moses.
Like Mo.
Mo, it's you!
He's like,
Now turn the painting this way.
He's
so
like,
the
No, I
camera-
know. It's actually pretty good side by side. You're like, oh, look at that. That's nice.
Who did this? Is this your friend? Toby did this.
Yes, she did! You can tell she did it, right?
Yeah, well, I see the name.
Oh, yeah, that's who you know it.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Thank you, Toby!
That's awesome.
that was awesome.
What do you think, Mo?
Was that